If your farm looks like a patchwork from above, you're already behind. Agricultural drones are giving farmers a whole new perspective. Let's see how these flying robots are changing the game. Imagine looking down at your fields, not from a tractor but from above. Drones or flying robots are now giving farmers a bird's-eye view of their land, snapping detailed aerial images that map every nook and cranny. But it doesn't stop there. These drones aren't just spying on crops, they're working for you. With high-tech camera systems, they can spot exactly where seeds need to be planted, making every drop of effort count. No more guesswork or wasted space, just laser-focused, pinpoint planting that boosts yields. And when it comes to fertilizing, say goodbye to the days of overspraying or missing patches. Drones distribute fertilizer efficiently, targeting only the areas that need it. Less waste, more growth, and a healthier planet. It's innovation in action, smarter seeding, precise feeding, and a farm that runs like a well-oiled machine, all from the sky. So next time you see a drone zipping over a field, remember, it's not just flying, it's farming for the future.